Welcome back to Car Flair. Today, we're exploring the incredible 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome camper truck, a perfect fusion of raw power, unmatched durability, and ultimate comfort. Known for its iconic design and legendary reliability, the Kenworth W900 has been reimagined to create a motorhome camper that's ready to dominate the open road. Let's start with its exterior. The classic Kenworth W900 styling remains intact, featuring its bold chrome grille, long nose, and timeless aesthetic. However, this camper version takes it to a whole new level. The extended chassis is designed to support the spacious living quarters, while its aerodynamic updates improve fuel efficiency without compromising its signature look. With custom paint options and LED lighting accents, this truck is as striking as it is functional. Under the hood lies a powerful PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering up to 565 horsepower and incredible torque. Whether you're hauling gear, towing a trailer, or climbing steep mountain roads, this engine provides the power and reliability you need for any adventure. Paired with advanced suspension and a robust drivetrain, the ride is smooth and controlled, no matter the terrain. Now, step inside the camper portion, and you'll find a luxurious and highly functional living space. The interior design balances practicality with modern comfort, featuring premium leather seating, polished wood finishes, and a fully equipped kitchenette. You'll have everything you need, from a convection microwave to a full-sized refrigerator and an induction cooktop. The sleeping area offers a queen-sized bed with high-quality linens, ample storage, and blackout shades for a comfortable night's rest. There's also a convertible lounge area that doubles as an additional sleeping space for guests. The bathroom is thoughtfully designed, with a spacious shower, a vanity sink, and efficient water management systems for off-grid living. Technology lovers will appreciate the built-in smart systems, including touchscreen controls for lighting, temperature, and entertainment. Satellite connectivity ensures you're never out of reach, while multiple charging ports keep your devices powered up on the go. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome camper truck combines the toughness of a semi-truck with the convenience and comfort of a modern RV, making it an excellent choice for adventurers and road warriors alike. If this powerhouse has you dreaming of your next big road trip, make sure to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Car Flair for more in-depth vehicle reviews.